Hi there, this is Allison with Let's Go Travel Tips. Today we have a really exciting announcement. So welcome to all of our Let's Go family members and welcome to all of you who are new here. We are really glad that all of you are here with us. So our really exciting announcement today is that we booked another cruise. We are going to sail on the Caribbean Princess January 16th through the 23rd of 2022. And so that's just in a little bit over 2 months. I'll tell you why we picked this cruise and then I'll let you know where we are going. And so first of all, we chose this cruise because we love Princess. I think that those of you who have been here with us, Princess is our favorite. We are going to try some more of the other cruise lines. We've got a couple of cruises booked on Norwegian, and we'll get some more booked on other cruise lines, but we just love Princess. We have cruised extensively in Europe and been to Antarctica with Princess, but we haven't been to the Caribbean yet. And so we thought this would be a wonderful opportunity to go. And we decided that we wanted the first time we go to the Caribbean to be on Princess. And so that's why we chose this cruise. And then we will be going to the Western Caribbean. And we chose that itinerary because I have wanted to see the Mayan ruins for a long time. And that is where you need to go to see them. And so we decided to go to do the Western Caribbean first, and we'll do the Eastern and Southern another time. And so first of all, we will be sailing round trip out of Fort Lauderdale. So we're really excited to see that port and show it to you because it's just, you know, the cruising restart is going really, really well, and it is still early days though, and the cruise lines are just, everybody is ramping up to get going out of those ports, and they're starting to get back to having the cruise ships that they had before the shutdown started. And so we'll show you sailing out of Fort Lauderdale. And then the first day on our cruise, so like I said, we leave January 16th, that's a Sunday, and then on Monday the 17th, our first stop is Nassau, Bahamas, and it's for Princess Key. And so we're really excited to see that. We reserved one of the, it's not called a clamshell, it's just one of those covers that you can sit under with a couple of lounge chairs so that you're not in the direct sunlight all day long. So we reserved that, and we're planning on going swimming and snorkeling and just having a fun time there. And then on the next day, so it would be Tuesday the 18th, is a sea day, and so that's, my guess is that will be the first formal night. I could be wrong though, so we'll let you know. And then Wednesday the 19th, we are in Costa Maya, Mexico. And so as we go here, I'm going to tell you which excursions we just booked, and you can tell us what you think. We clearly haven't been here yet, and so if any of you have been on these excursions or have anything you would like to share, we would love to hear. And so in Costa Maya, we booked the Cajunlic, I'm saying that wrong, I'm sure, Mayan Ruins and Scenic Drive. We are in port that day from noon to 7 p.m. and that excursion is a 6-hour excursion. It's in the same port that has the, I think it's called like the Chaco Bun, I'm sure I'm saying that wrong too, Mayan Ruins. And that one, from what we have read and can tell, has just the one temple that you get to see, but the Cajunlic one that we're going to go on is a whole complex. And so we thought that that would be worth the drive to get there and everything. And so we're really excited. It has like these really cool masks, like sculpture things that the Mayans did a really long time ago. And so we'll take you along with us and show it to you, but we're really excited about that. And so the next day is Thursday the 20th, and we're going to be in Belize City. Now there in Belize off the coast, they have a barrier reef. And of course it's not the Great Barrier Reef because that's in Australia, but it is still supposed to be the second most amazing barrier reef in the world. And so on that day, we are going to do an excursion that's called Snorkeling Wonders of the Barrier Reef. And they take you out on a catamaran, and then you jump off and go snorkeling. And so it's just supposed to be spectacular with a variety of fish that you see and all the different corals And so we're really excited about seeing that. Those of you that have been here with us for a long time know that I'm not so much of a snorkeler, but I have hope that I might be able to do that sometime, and who knows, this might be the one. And so I'm going to take my snorkeling mask and everything with me just in case. They do have that. They say that they will supply for you, but I would just rather take my own. And so, and my husband will bring his own as well. And so the next day is Friday the 21st. And on that day, we're going to be in Cozumel, Mexico, and we are going to go see Chichén Itzá. So if you know anything about Mayan ruins, that is the one. I believe it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. I'm going to read up on it a bunch more before we go, but we are so excited to go see that. It's a little bit longer of a drive, but we really think that it will be worth the visit. And so we're going to go there. Saturday the 22nd is a sea day. And so I don't know, with that being the last day on the ship, if that will be the other formal night or how they'll kind of do it, because the other days, I should have told you, we're in port a little bit longer. On the day that we are in Costa Maya, noon to 7, and the day that we're in Belize City is 7 a.m. clear to 6 p.m. and then Cozumel is 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. and so those are kind of like later, but I'll just let you know how it goes. And so then we get back on Sunday the 23rd. It says the ship is supposed to arrive by 7 in the morning, and since our flight doesn't leave until 6 p.m., we went ahead and scheduled one of Princess's disembarkation excursions, and so we chose to take the Intercoastal Waterway by boat, and it says in Las Olas Boulevard, and then it includes the transfer to the Fort Lauderdale Airport. And so we are really excited. We are going to fly in the night before, so we'll let you know where we're going to stay. We'll show you that hotel. We'll just show you everything and take you along with us. And so like I said, if you have any information that you would like to share with us or tips, we would love to hear from you. Like I said, we are trying to build this community here where everyone can share their experiences and their tips to help each other out. And our goal is that we will end up having a lot of fun together, and that also our travel experiences will be richer because we will have the help and insight of other people who have been there before, and also we will have the chance to meet more wonderful people. And so we are really looking forward to that. And so we hope that you will subscribe if you haven't already and come along with us. Also, if you have any questions or anything you want us to find out while we are on this cruise, you just put those in the comments below as well, and I will make a note. I always make a list of what I need to make sure to find out, and then we will be sure to cover that in our videos so that we can help you find out what it is you need to know. So thank you very much for watching. If you have appreciated this video and enjoyed it at all, will you also please give us a thumbs up? We really appreciate it. Thank you. I will be talking to you all again really soon. You all take really good care. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.